What up, FTCs? I'm back. We back. Just like I promised.
What's up, guys?
So, y'all saw me unbox these last ones off the dude that sent me on TikTok. So, what I did was bought a box off Walmart.com, and me and Devin still about to do a little unboxing for everybody.
Right. We got the 2024 Panini Prism WWE collectible cards, and we're going to do some pack openings today.
See what happens, man.
I need a Dusty Rhodes or I need a CM Punk right now.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Alright, so this is a fresh pack, straight out the seal, everybody. So, we're going to see what happens. Since I've already opened 2 packs, though, Devin Steele, you have the privilege of opening the first pack and also shuffling all the packs. So, give these a little shuffle for us.
Okay. I'm gonna close my eyes.
That'll work.
There you go.
Alright, buddy. Pick a pack. 1 through 6.
I want lucky number 2.
Alright, 1 and 2. Here you go, bro.
Alright, guys, let's see what we got.
See what Devin Steele gets on his first ever 2024 Panini Prism pack.
We got
Silverback Undertaker.
the Undertaker, number 31.
Good card. Good
That
card.
looks pretty cool. We've got Big Daddy Diesel,
2 good cards. 2 big guys. Good pulls.
number 88. Wow, this one is sparkly.
That's an even better card. That's a
We
Broken
got
Ice.
Brian Lee Reese,
Broken Ice edition.
number
That's a good-
36. That's an NXT one.
Good card.
And now, Terry Funk, 163. I mean, alright.
That's a pretty good pack.
I'm not going to complain about that.
Alright. You can do the honors for me? Give me pack number 4. Alright. Pack number 4, guys. Let's see what I get.
And that's about it for this episode.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
As for the fan connection, we're out of here.